welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one that I'm so excited about. We are going to be talking about face masks. Now, I am a habitual face masker. I do one literally almost every night of the week. There's a few different brands that I love and that are my go-tos. Two of them in particular that stand out to me. The first would be Glamglow. I'm sure you have heard of them. They are super popular, their masks are super fun to use, and they do deliver really good results. The second that I want to talk about is Thomas Roth. Their masks are a little bit different than Glamglow's, but I still feel like give you effective results. So if you are interested in learning more about these face masks, then keep on watching. Okay, so I wish I could pan to it's an obsession. I literally, I don't know, I need rehab for face masks. Is that possible? So I have Thomas Roth masks that I want to talk about. Then I have Glamglow masks that I want to talk about. Each mask does a different thing, is for a different issue, and they all have different results. So I figured we would start off with Thomas Roth. He really is one of my favorite brands. They smell good, they work good, they're fun to put on. I don't know if you're like me, sometimes I just want to treat myself and I can't necessarily afford going to a spa and getting a facial for $100. So I purchase masks and I give myself my own little mini facial right at home. All right, so the first two masks from Thomas Roth that I want to talk about are the Cucumber Gel Mask and the Rose Stem Cell Mask. Both of these right here I like to keep in my refrigerator. And I will, when I go to put them on, I'll take them out and I'll put them on my face, and it is just cooling and calming and soothing, and oh my God, it's heaven for your face. Okay, so the Cucumber Gel I want to talk about a little bit. It says it's an extreme detoxifying hydrator, refreshing, cooling, moisturizing, calming gel that helps soothe dry, irritated skin with extracts of cucumber, papaya, chamomile, pineapple, sugar maple, orange, lemon, and aloe. This one I love. It has a, oh, say hi, Blue. He hates being out of the loop. Hey, we're doing a face mask YouTube video. You wanna join? Back to this mask. So this one, like I said, I'll take it out of the refrigerator. I'll put it on with this little spatula guy that I don't think I have near me at the moment. But I will just put it a generous amount all over my face. I'll leave it on for 10 minutes and then I will wash it off. The only benefits that I see from this is it just kind of calms my skin. It's not a mask that's gonna give you smaller pores or help your wrinkles. It's purely just soothing and relaxing, and it gets a little bit cause I'll put it underneath my eye and it will get rid of some of the puffiness, but that's about it for this mask. The Rose Stem Cell Mask, this one, if you like the smell of rose, you'll love this. It's really just a jelly consistency. Again, this one I will put in the fridge and I will take it out and put it on my face. I leave this one on for 10 minutes as well. A little bit about this one is it says cutting edge plant biotechnology isolates and replicates 5 stem cells. It has rose hip seed, rose water, This one actually is for fine lines and wrinkles. So I like to put this one on, and I like to focus it mainly on my forehead and my crow's feet, because if you can see, I am all about the wrinkles. Well, I'm not all about them. My face is all about them. The next one I want to talk about is the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This guy, first off, the smell is amazing. But so this guy isn't as jelly-like as the others, and it has these little beads in it that will exfoliate your skin. This guy is definitely more than just your kind of refreshing mask. It is gonna get in there and it's gonna exfoliate those dead skin cells. You basically put this one on and you massage it into your skin like a generous layer, and you massage it in, kind of getting rid of all those dead skin cells that you have. You leave it on, this one says for 3 to 7 minutes. I'm a firm believer and I'm gonna leave it on for as long as I can because I want it to work. It says, this powerful and highly effective exfoliating treatment addresses dull, aging, and congested complexion in 3 ways. So this guy I'll use usually once a week because it is a little bit more abrasive for your skin and it has a little more of those harsher chemicals. But I will do this probably after a night of wearing a lot of makeup, and I just feel like I want to get in there and get that off my skin. So yeah, that is the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. Mask that I want to talk about, the last mask from PTR that I want to talk about is the 24 karat gold mask. This is a pure luxury lift and firm mask. So this guy is anti-aging, brightening, tightening, really everything that I look for in a face mask. This one is the least best smelling of the group. One you also leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and you can use 2 to 3 times a week. It really just doesn't, I mean, it doesn't smell horrible, but it doesn't smell like the pumpkin one or the rose one. That's it for the Thomas Roth masks, but I do have some Glamglow ones that I want to share. Every mask that I've tried from Glamglow I have liked. Some I have loved more than others. The first one up on the list is the Glamglow Youth Mud Tinkle Exfoliant. Now I only have my travel size left of this. I ran out of the full size and I have not repurchased. It's like the smell. It's like minty. I don't even know. Minty green tea, just amazing. And that's a sad day, y'all. It is almost gone. What this guy does is he is gonna get in there, it is gonna dry down, and it is going to kind of exfoliate and strip away, again, all those dead skin cells, all the crap on your face that you don't want in there. Next one that I wanna talk about is the almighty Gravity Mud. This, I believe is the Sonic version. This guy, it's like tropical meets, I don't know, it just smells so good. And if you are like me and you love picking shit off your skin, you are gonna love this guy because he dries down and you get to peel it off your face. It's the only mask that I own that is a peel-off mask, other than I think I do have a black peel-off mask somewhere laying around, but this guy just, it smells great, it's fun, and it really does do the job. Next guy that I have here is the Glamglow, that's upside down, Thirsty Mud Treatment. This guy also smells like heaven. Very beachy, scent to it, tropical scent to it. This guy is a hydrating mask, so I will usually put this on after I go in either with the Youth Mud or with the Super Mud, because I feel like my skin's a little bit drier, so I'll usually put this on right after to kind of just put some of that hydration back into my skin. You can either put it on, leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off, or if you're like me and you want that extra boost of hydration, you can put it on right before bed and leave it on. So, if you can't tell by the amount of jars that I'm about to show you, that this clearly is my favorite mask. I'm talking about, this is bigger than the travel, this is bigger than the travel size. This was the first size that they originally came out with. And then, what is it? It's 1.2 ounces. So I don't even know if they sell this one anymore. Then they came out with, I think this is this is 1.7 ounces. So this is the Glamglow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I just did this on my face this morning because I felt like I had a little breakout coming on. This guy right here is my holy grail clearing face mask. I'm pausing a little bit because right now I have been trying out Drunk Elephant's TLC Sakuri Baby Facial, and that one I'm kind of loving. I don't want to say it's going to be my new favorite, but we'll talk about that in a different video. This guy right here, you put it on, it dries down. I will insert a clip of me actually putting it on, and it soaks into your pores so much to like where you can literally see all your pores. It's actually pretty gross when you look at it. What I love about this mask is when you put it on, it gives you that cooling, tingling feeling. And I don't know, I just feel like it's working. Like I really feel it getting into my pores, and you can see literally that. I know it's so gross, but like look at all my pores. Like it's just sinking in there. And when we wash it away, it's gonna clear them all out. But Lucifer, Satan, Penny. This one, the smell, let's see. The smell of this one is a little harsh, kind of like black licorice, which it's not my favorite smell, most favorite smell in the entire world, but I will deal with it because this baby works. It's literally just for clearing your skin. So if you have acne prone skin, if you're prone to breakouts, oily skin, and you just really want to get in there and get rid of all that crap, this is the guy that you are gonna want to use. Obviously, by the amount of jars that I have, you can tell that I cannot live without it. So that actually was the last mask that I wanted to talk about to y'all. Final thoughts, I guess if I had to choose a favorite from Glamglow, clearly this is the one that I can't live without. The other ones, I don't need them. I like them, they are fun to put on, they do benefit my skin, but this guy right here, I'm never not gonna have it. Like if I run out, I'm running to the store to go pick it up. As far as the Thomas Roth, it's hard to kind of narrow it down to my favorite. I think it would have to be the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, purely for the smell alone. It just smells so freaking good. So good. And it's so nice to put on your face. So yeah. That is a wrap. That concludes this video, y'all. I hope that was a little bit informational. This is my first ever mask video, so I'm learning. I'm learning just like you guys are, one step at a time. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Join my family, follow me on this journey. I'm having so much fun with you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.